Hi, welcome to Low Carb Cocktails. Got another review video for you guys. Margaritaville skinny margaritas ready to drink. This, I don't know. We're gonna, yeah, let's go ahead and talk about this. So on the bottle, skinny, calories, I kind of get it. Carbs, usually when someone says skinny, it's low in calorie and low in carbs. The calorie count on this, the calorie count on this is 35, I think it's 35 calories. I think it's 35, I think it's like 35.4 calories per serving and only 2.976. Yeah, 2.976. That's a lot behind the decimal. Per serving. That's not really bad till you look at the serving size. The serving size is 1.5 ounces. So let's go ahead and see what this looks like. Average size glass, ice, margarita on the rocks. We do 1.5 ounces, the serving size. As you can see, this bottle's only been drank out of twice. Once to kind of go with it as it is, and then once, that's 1.5 ounces. And that's a serving size of a margarita. I don't know where, which restaurant, which country, which anything, but that's 1.5 ounces of a margarita. Ready to drink. That's the serving size. That's not the whole bit. That is the serving size. Yeah, it takes 3 of these to make that glass even close to full. So as far as the way they did their math to make it skinny, is insane. And the taste, it's tastes like a bottle of margarita mix. I don't even taste the tequila in it, to be honest with you. And it's got a pretty low ABV. Well, I'm sorry. The writing is so small on here. It is not. It is 95 calories per serving. That's what I thought 35 was low. It's 95 calories per serving. And the ABV is 19%. No, sorry, 10%. This writing is so small on this thing, makes it hard to read. So it's a 10% ABV, 20 proof. Chinky, shitty margarita. So, but this is how you fix it. Just because the carbs in that little bit's already 3 grams of carbs, we're going to add some bottled lime juice. And we're going to add an extra 1/2 ounce of bottled lime juice. And then we're going to add some more tequila. Use whatever you got. I have, what's that? Camarena. That's what was on sale, and I was not about to put a good tequila with this. So another ounce of tequila. Let's give that a quick stir. And there you have. Now, on top of this, I would probably add maybe a little bit of simple syrup. It doesn't taste bad to begin with, but you're gonna need 3 servings of this just to make a cocktail this size. And that's not even, that glass is not even full. That's, that's insane. So overall, Margaritaville skinny margarita mix, is it worth it? It's got a good taste. Better than most average bottle mixes. It's ready to drink. Yeah, it is. It needs a little more boost of tequila or something. And when you doctor it up, you put a little more lime juice, a little more tequila, you're gonna need a little more sweetener. If you like a sweeter margarita, I would say that, but something quick on the go. It's not horrible. I've had much worse. This is much worse. This is garbage. Yeah, Mr. and Mrs. T Light Margarita Mix. I did a review video on that. You can check it out right here. This is garbage. I don't know why I still have that. Maybe just so I can raise up at the camera and just say this is garbage. Maybe that's why I kept it. I don't know. But anyway, guys, that's it. Thank y'all for watching. And I hope to have more review videos coming out soon. As a matter of fact, you can check the most recent one I did right before this. And that's the JT Melik Rice Vodka. There's a little card right here for you. Check that out. All right, guys, y'all have a great day. I'm going to put this aside, fix me something a little bit better, and then I'll have a great day too.